This is the Nokia 800 TOF. It is designed for outdoor use in rugged environments. It's waterproof and dustproof up to one IP68, can be dropped from a height, and it boasts a number of pretty cool features. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So it runs on KaiOS, which is different to Android or iOS. And inside here we have the phone. So it's a lovely feeling material. And wow, look at that. It's got quite a bit of weight to it, and that's a lovely finish. One thing that might be overlooked is quite how easy it is to grip. It's the perfect size to hold in your hand. And yeah, those buttons are pretty cool. Very easy to push, even one-handed. You know, these small directional buttons are always a bit fiddly. I can't say this is perfect. Say you were wearing working gloves, it might be more difficult, but you know, for now it feels quite good. So we can turn it on. There's a camera there, I guess that's a flashlight, and we have the speakers as well. The screen is 240 by 320. Battery is long lasting. It says up to 43 days is promised. That is in idle mode if it's not being used. So while that's turning on, you can see here. This is probably to put in your SIM card. Neat. Got a quick guide. There we are. It looks like it's all in English. Now this is the European one. Of course you'll have one specific to your region, but it's just a standard USB. And in here, open that up. What have we there? Just that's for charging and for data sharing to work with this. Quite straightforward. Nice and neat. It's got a neat little writing there, and that's pretty much all that's in the box. So there's no headphones to go with it, no headset, which is required for the radio. It needs the aerial, which is included in the headset. That's designed to go along with it, but that's not included in the box. And that's pretty much all there is in that. And we can go through the setup, select English, Great Britain, close enough. That changed there. This is, select that. It's not, it's already a little confusing. Deselect, select. I must have two selected. I saw English US was there somewhere. Okay, I could spend the day doing this. Galego. There. Okay. And now setup wizard will probably use data over network. That is unlikely, seeing I haven't yet set that up. We can skip that for now. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, it's good enough. KaiOS has a sign-in feature that will help you find your phone back up and lock your phone in the case of any situation. So there it is, all set up. Camera is ready to go. The camera is 2 megapixels, which isn't anything to write home about. Let's see, can we read? You know, that doesn't look too bad actually. Got a bit blurry there, alright, when taking it. Do you know what, that's not so bad actually. That's pretty good. Oh, there's a back button there, that's pretty neat. And we can preview that. Can we zoom in on it? I can set it as wallpaper. And so that's it, the Nokia 800. I'm going to make some customizations to this as KaiOS will allow for that, and you can check that out in the video in link to in the description. Thanks for watching.